Okay, see some more examples are given. Here table will be employee, and see question will be display employee number and employee name of those employees who works in whose department is accounts or whose department is personnel. So see from here you can get to know that I have made use of OR operator. Next is, suppose my question is display employee number and employee name of those employees whose department is accounts but whose designation should be manager only. So see though both condition should be true. Here both condition demands to be true. So that for that reason only I have written department is equals to accounts and designation is equals to manager. Okay. Suppose my question next question is display details of those employee whose designation is not manager. So condition from here you can get to know that whose designation is not manager. So I have written select suppose asterisk from employee where I have written designation is equals to manager. First of all, I want this condition to be true. So I have written designation is equals to manager within this small bracket. Then I have put a not here. So this not is going to negate this condition and my answer will be whose designation is not manager. I hope this is clear to you all. That is here you can find pipeline symbol that is meaning of that is or and ampersand that is and. Okay, next is using parentheses and where clause. That means this example is combination of both or and operator. Okay, so let's see. My question is, suppose I want to display that that employee's detail whose first name should be Amit, but last name can either be Sharma or Verma. Okay, so from here what I can write is let us say from employee where first name should be Amit and last name can either be Sharma or last name can equal to be Verma. Okay, so last name is equal to Sharma or Verma. This is written within parentheses. So this is to be solved first, and then this is to be combined with this AND operator. Okay, so please, the people who write this in a very wrong manner, and just have a look onto this that we write on last name is equal to Sharma, or again mention the column name. So write on last name is equals to Verma. Okay, please look on the syntax very carefully so that you are not going to commit these mistakes in examination. Next is condition based on range. See, I told you all whenever range is there, like suppose I have asked you display details of those student whose marks is in range 70 to 90. So here we have a range. So for range we make use of between operator. We make use of this between operator. And between operator is what? Simply it is used in case of range and it includes both upper as well as lower values. That means suppose here 70 is there and 80 is given. It is going to fetch the 70 marks as well as 80 marks because between is going to fetch 70 and 80 both. Okay, suppose I want to display roll number, name, marks of those students whose marks is in the range 70 to 80. So range is given, so we know very well we make use of between operator. See how will we write down? There is select roll number, comma name, marks from student where marks between 70 and 80. Okay, that is marks between 70 and 80. And suppose I have I just want to include whose marks is not in the range 70 and 80. So what we'll do, we will write down where marks not between 70 and 80. So here you can see query is all same, select roll number, name, marks from student where marks not between 70 and 80. Okay, so I think this is clear to you all. The same output we will be getting in this case. See what is I have written? What I have written? Where marks greater than equal to 70 and marks greater than less than equal to 80. Between and this, they are both are exactly same. Last is list. So whenever we have a list, now list means what? Suppose we have a list and suppose list is like this. I want to display details of those students whose marks can either be 68 or 76 or 78. That means either of these three. So I can make use of operator there. That operator name is in. Now see how we make use of that operator. That is select roll number, name, marks from student where marks in. See in bracket I have written 68, 76 or 78. Simply means what? If the marks matches these three values. If we have a table student and if we have either of these three values, so I am going to fetch only those details. From here you can find 78, 76 is there, 68 is not there, 68 is discarded. Okay. Now if I am saying whose marks is not in this list, so what I will I will write down where marks not in. Where marks not in. Suppose next example is this one. Who resides in Delhi, Mumbai or UP? The question is there, display rows where state is Delhi or Mumbai or UP. So I can write the answer as select asterisk from employee where state in Delhi or Mumbai or UP. This three conditions there. So what I can do, I can make use of the in operator. In single quotes I have written Delhi, single quotes I have written Mumbai, and with the single quotes I have written UP. And if I am saying state not in, so what I'll do, I'll make use of this where state not in and this three states all together. So I think this all is clear to you all. Next we'll be dealing in the next video. पंखा जो करती है पटा सुनते जाते हैं दिन भर याद बनाने वाली थी आज अंधेरा हो गया।